I got the FD back together.
Seriously, I just had it.
After a couple of weeks in the shop, Justin did a fantastic job on my bumper. I mean, before it was just stone chipped, it had a crack on the bottom, it was in really, really rough shape, and he just went above and beyond to make sure that this thing looked really, really good whenever it was all said and done. Let's take a closer look. I mean, just check this out. Night and day difference. I can see my reflection. Hello. This looks so good by comparison. My gosh. It's almost hard to believe it's the same bumper. As someone who's done body work in the past and just doesn't have the patience for it, I can tell you that a lot of time and energy went into fixing this bumper. Reinforcing the cracks, sanding it down, filling in all the little spots, all that stuff. I mean, I'm just absolutely thrilled with how this turned out. If you're anywhere north of Pittsburgh, give Jam Auto a call. Reasonable prices, fantastic work. Thank you so much, Justin and Megan. Appreciate you guys. This looks fantastic. I almost don't want to take it for a drive and for fear of getting a stone chip in it at this point. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. You know, when I said I almost don't want to take it for a drive, I think almost was the key word in that sentence. I'm definitely going to go for a rip.